Take a look at this. I have never seen a man this ingenious. To free himself from the burden of a huge mortgage, he built a fully functional, warm, and cozy workshop all by himself on an isolated rock in the middle of a fast-flowing river. First, he drove wooden posts into the rock following its natural shape and reinforced them with diagonal supports, evenly distributing the weight of the entire platform across the rock. Then he built an outer frame using wooden beams and secured the wooden planks one by one until they were perfectly aligned. From above, the solid wooden floor in the middle of the river looked like a peaceful little shelter surrounded by water. Once the platform was finished, he installed a solid wooden railing around it and built an inclined wooden staircase on the side facing the riverbank, allowing him to move up and down safely even when the water level changed. But the most surprising part was the inflatable cabin. He carried the folded canvas to the center of the platform and slowly inflated the inner structure using a manual air pump. The thick waterproof canvas gradually unfolded into a cabin with a pointed roof and transparent windows. He carefully tightened every strap along the edge of the platform to ensure the canvas remained secure even in the strong river winds. This was not just a simple makeshift tent. Inside, he placed comfortable mattresses and cushions, creating a cozy space where he could relax and sit comfortably. But the real surprise came when night fell. He wrapped colorful decorative lights around the railings and stairs. Warm yellow light shone through the cabin windows, while the colorful lights outlined the shelter. In the darkness, above the completely dark surface of the river, the small illuminated shelter looked like a star floating on the water. After finishing everything, he sat at a small table on the terrace and prepared a hot cup of coffee using a portable stove. Steam rose from the porcelain cup, while the only sound around him was the relaxing flow of the river. He no longer had to worry about monthly payments or feel overwhelmed by the huge burden of a mortgage. This cabin in the middle of the river may not be luxurious, but it represents complete freedom for him. Some people laugh at him and say he is wasting his time on useless things, but he knows exactly what he wants. Compared with spending half of his life working just to pay for a house, this small floating kingdom on the water is the only home that truly belongs to him. If 100 points were the highest score, how many points would you give this house? Let us know in the comments. Have you ever wondered what kind of incredible secret space you could create by burying a massive weathered train carriage deep underground? Today, we are taking you along on an absolutely mind-blowing step-by-step transformation. The journey begins with a heavy crane slowly lowering the enormous rusty metal structure into a perfectly dug, deep trench in the open landscape. Once positioned, a powerful excavator dumps tons of dark soil over the top, carefully burying and leveling the ground until the entire carriage is completely hidden from sight. To make it blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature, rolls of lush, vibrant green grass sod are laid down one by one, creating a perfect camouflage hill. Next, the focus shifts to creating a welcoming entrance. Heavy timber planks are cut and assembled to build a beautiful wooden staircase leading down into the earth. A solid wooden portal is constructed, and a handsome rustic door is fitted to secure the entryway. Hanging vintage brass lanterns are installed on both sides, along with colorful potted flowers, giving this secret hideout an incredibly high-end, inviting look. However, the view inside is a complete disaster, filled with decades of rust, peeling paint, and piles of metal scrap. The builder rolls up her sleeves, sweeps away the debris, shovels the trash into bags, and clears the space to reveal the clean subfloor. Using an angle grinder, she cuts through old metal supports, throwing a shower of bright sparks as she prepares the partition doorframe. To protect the interior, a thick black waterproof plastic sheet is applied to the walls and ceiling as a moisture barrier. Then, a precise wooden stud grid is built along the curved frame, and pink fiberglass insulation bats are packed tightly into every cavity to keep the bunker warm, cozy, and quiet. Smooth white drywall panels are installed, followed by elegant light oak hardwood flooring. A compact modern white kitchen is fitted with a sleek black faucet and sink, alongside a small dining set and a comfortable single bed with clean linens. But the real surprise lies in the second ruined compartment. After clearing the rust and installing the same layers of framing, insulation, and wood paneling, a truly high-tech sanctuary begins to take shape. On one side, a luxury bathroom is built, featuring a black framed glass shower enclosure, a modern wall-mounted toilet, and sleek dark marble tiles. On the other side, a custom gaming and workstation is set up with a floating desk, dual monitors, a studio microphone, and acoustic wall panels. Right next to it, a heavy-duty tactical gear wall is constructed to hold rifles, body armor, and survival equipment. As a final touch, a hidden blue LED ambient light strip is turned on, casting a futuristic glow along the ceiling curve. This rusty, forgotten train car has been completely transformed into the ultimate luxury underground survival bunker. Would you like to live in a hidden retreat like this? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.